case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Oregon Court of Appeals recently ruled on a case that dealt with a turkey hatchery, Potters, and a turkey grower, Hatter Farms. The dispute centered on an oral agreement to sell 192,000 poults, young turkeys, and whether this verbal contract could stand without a written agreement. The conflict began when Hatter Farms disputed the agreement, causing Potters to take legal action. The jury sided with Potters, but Hatter Farms appealed, arguing that without a written contract, there was no enforceable deal. Key areas of contention included their objections to the oral contract's validity and the question of whether a sale exceeding $500 could be agreed upon verbally. In a critical decision, the court upheld the jury's verdict, siding with Potters despite the lack of written agreement. The court found substantial evidence supporting Potters' claim that they had a clear oral agreement with Hatter Farms and that the shipping details were merely a logistical issue to be finalized later. The court made a significant ruling concerning contract law and the concept of promissory estoppel. The principle of promissory estoppel means that even without a written contract, if someone makes a promise causing another to rely on it, they are bound by it. This ruling determined that the enforcement of such promises was indeed valid and did not conflict with the goals of ensuring consistency and predictability in commercial transactions outlined in the Uniform Commercial Code. In this particular case, the promissory estoppel doctrine held strong. Despite the lack of a written agreement, the court upheld the verbal contract due to the substantial evidential support for Potters' claims, thus signaling a potent legal precedent for future commercial disputes.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of climb.